Metro Manila, Bulacan, Metro Cebu, and other parts of the country experienced rain showers and thunderstorms this afternoon until early this evening. Good evening. Here is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday, September 5. As of today, there is no tropical cyclone existing within the Philippine area of responsibility. However, the rain showers and thunderstorms we are experiencing are brought by the presence of the Intertropical Convergence Zone. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ, is affecting central and southern Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Tomorrow, Metro Manila, Central Luzon, Calabar Zone, Mimaropa, the Bicol region, Visayas and Mindanao will experience cloudy skies with light to moderate rain showers and thunderstorms, while the rest of Luzon will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. Light to moderate winds blowing from the east to southeast will prevail over Luzon and coming from the south to southeast over the rest of the country. Coastal waters throughout the archipelago will be slight to moderate. At 12 noon today, Metro Manila was a bit cooler compared to yesterday as it the high of 31.4 degrees Celsius, while Laoag and Puerto Princesa City today recorded a high of 31 and 32 degrees Celsius, respectively. And here is our 3-day extended weather outlook. For Metro Manila, expect cloudy skies with some rain showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow, while on Thursday, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms is expected. By Friday, cloudy skies with rain showers and thunderstorms with 23 to 32 degrees Celsius. For Metro Cebu, cloudy skies with rains are expected tomorrow until Friday with 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. And for Metro Davao, our 3-day forecast will be the same as Metro Cebu with cloudy skies and rains over the next 3 days with only 20 to 31 degrees Celsius. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:44 in the morning, while sunset will be at 5 minutes past 6 in the evening. And for our astronomy photo of the day, the Canada-France-Hawaii telescope released this photo last August 30, 2013 of the Cone Nebula, or NGC 2264, in the constellation Monoceros, at 2,700 light-years away from Earth. It consists of a glowing ionized gas excited by the surrounding hot, massive young blue stars. Strong winds of the particles are coming from these stars, shaping the residual gas left from a spent star formation region, creating these structures with striking appearances. And that is our weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday, September 5. For News Live, this is Edmond Rosales giving you the latest weather update. Gray skies be with you always.